The garage monitoring network is experiencing a malfunction. Let's troubleshoot the issue. Take a look at the optical power. It currently shows 27. This optical attenuation value is a bit too high. First, let's use the red light pen to perform a leakage test. Starting with our connector here, there is some light leakage at the connector. Let's check if there's any damage elsewhere. Let's take a look at this fiber tray. Okay, we found it. There is a bend at this location, and this section of the fiber is damaged and has light leakage. We've identified the problem here. We will carry out a repair later. Now, let's go ahead and make a new fiber connector. First, put on the protective sleeve. Now we have completed the new fiber connector. Next, we start preparing for polishing. Take out our COBTEL fiber polishing equipment and press the start button. Okay, the polishing is done. Let's clean it. Let's check the optical power reading now. It currently shows 24.92. It was showing 27 just now, so we have successfully reduced the loss. This means we have now repaired the damaged fiber. Finally, let's connect the fiber connector to the equipment. All right, the issue is now resolved.